Pandadoc versus DocuSign. In this video, we're going to be talking about two of the most used and two of the greatest document softwares that you can find on the World Wide Web. Now, businesses are finally departing for wet ink signatures and physical documents, okay? But what are they moving on to? Well, there are plenty of contract tools on the market that make electronic signing simple. So which tools are best for you? Now, in this deep dive, I'm going to be comparing two of the larger players, DocuSign and Pandadoc. So the main features that I'm going to be discussing about in both of these are the feature set, ease of use, security, customization, integrations, device accessibility, pricing, and customer support. Now, to do this, I have personally gone through it and giving it an independent review. Okay, so while both Pandadoc and DocuSign are great solutions for e-signing, neither provide the full set of features legal and business teams need to manage contracts as they scale. Only all-in-one contract tools like Juro can streamline the entire contract process from end to end. So, if you want the full suite of features, you can go ahead and check out Juro for yourself, okay? But I'm going to stay along with Pandadoc. Now, Pandadoc is a cloud-based proposal management tool that was founded in 2013. Okay, Pandadoc users can create, sign, and manage sales agreements using the platform that makes it an effective tool for sales teams that want to streamline the creation of sales proposals and other collateral. But we're going to talk more on that later. Let's move over to DocuSign. DocuSign is one of the most reputable electronic signatures tools on the market. It enables users to quickly upload and send contracts out for signing using any devices. Now, unlike its sister tool, DocuSign is not designed to cover the entire contract workflow, only the signing process. Now, this is interesting since it means there are some stark differences between the two contract tools. So now that we've, briefly introduced the two platforms, it's time to dive into the details. Now, Pandadoc, when it comes to its features, is one of the biggest winners because the feature gap is a lot wider. Now, one of the biggest differences between Pandadoc and DocuSign is the feature gap between two platforms. Okay, so while DocuSign's electronic signature tool focuses on providing a great signing experience, Pandadoc offers a wider range of features. So while DocuSign and other e-signature services like HelloSign, SignRequest, and Adobe Sign expect users to build their contracts and sales documents according to different external editors like Word, Pandadoc has a native document editor that you can work along with, okay? So this means that similar to how contracts are built in Juro, users can generate contracts using templates and drag and drop fields. Now, Pandadoc's content library that you can, specifically check for yourself over here. So the content library is yet another feature that DocuSign is missing, as well as post-signature content tracking functionality. Now, it is a paid feature, but you can store most commonly used items for quick, easy access whenever you are creating a document, okay, which is pretty cool. Now, however, many of the features that Pandadoc users do rave about are locked behind more expensive plans. Multiple independent reviews give the content library which falls out of their budget range. This means that Pandadoc's feature range is expensive, but it is pretty fun to have when you're using it, okay? Now, DocuSign isn't necessarily better, as various independent reviews show that DocuSign users are missing broader contract management features. Now, this is unsurprising since DocuSign is an electronic signature tool, not an all-in-one contract management system. If we were to dive and delve deeper, let's talk about which one of these has the best features. Now, as far as the features are concerned, both these platforms have a great set. However, if you're seeking a more, you could say, comprehensive contract tool that helps to manage and streamline your entire contract lifecycle, DocuSign's features won't be enough. Instead, you will want something like Pandadoc, in my opinion. Both Pandadoc and DocuSign are relatively easy to use. Both platforms have a user-friendly interface and can be used to manage simple workflows. So DocuSign and Pandadoc have also both been praised for speeding up an otherwise manual and time-consuming process. However, some aspects of Pandadoc are slightly more confusing and less intuitive. So, for example, some users have described how certain features are buried within the platform and hard to find. Independent reviews have also suggested that formatting within the platform isn't as straightforward as they would like. So, this isn't ideal for businesses that want to create beautifully formatted contracts with ease, which other tools like Juro enable them to do. So, let's talk about which of these is relatively easiest to use. When comparing Pandadoc and DocuSign based on ease of use, it's important to remember that one tool does more than the other. So DocuSign is naturally easier to use since it performs more simple functions. Meanwhile, Pandadoc's more advanced features might be slightly harder to use as they address more complex requirements. Now, when it comes to security, obviously security is important for both of these because particularly when managing contracts for yourself, you need to make sure that your data is highly secure. Now, fortunately, both Pandadoc and DocuSign are secure platforms to sign contracts within. So DocuSign is, renowned for its security and it has plenty of security resources available for customers. Neither platform's customers have expressed privacy or security related concerns, all right? Now, when it comes to the customization for both of these is pretty cool because you get a lot of templates, but you don't get a lot of templates on DocuSign. You do get a lot of, editor blocks in the drag and drop feature, but you will not be able to, you know, add your very own templates or get templates from the users of DocuSign. Now, the lack of customization on Pandadoc is how clunky the customization options are, because Pandadoc offers enough customization for customers, but not all. DocuSign enables its users to edit the colors, logos, and a whole lot more, and you have the freedom of adding whatever type of a design you want to go ahead with. So I'm simply going to show you how it looks. So while it loads in, we're also going to open something up over here. So let's say I'm going to add this. I'm going to skip it and move over to the customizer. Okay. So DocuSign has many of the customization features, others other e-signature tools like Adobe Sign and Adobe Sign alternatives. However, I would still prefer Pandadoc because although the features are clunky, it's much easier to get along with than this. Okay. And the template feature is also pretty cool because it gives you a lot of different, you could say, things to work with and a lot of different things to edit into your work. So yeah, that is the main idea of Pandadoc and DocuSign. Now, if I were to give you a personal review on which one is better for your business, I would definitely suggest Pandadoc personally for myself, but you're open to explore both of them if you want to. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.